Hi, my name is Keith Mazza. Most of you know me as Sifu Keith. Welcome to our channel.
Hey everybody, Sifu Keith here, and today's video is from our Wing Chun training program utilizing wooden dummy techniques to defend the round punch, combining two aspects of the wooden dummy. But before we get there, I need you to go to the boxes, click like and subscribe, and click the bell to always to be kept up with our latest videos. Once again, thank you for your continued support. Have a great day.
All right, so you guys, we started with set A, right? We did the beginning of set A. You all good with that? All I want to do is I want to swap in the end into set 3. All right, just another application. So, wrong one. Bong Sao, Lob Sao, side palm Park. That's finishing that one side of set A into set 3. Park Gan, Wing Chun, Lob Chop, Park punch. All right, so you're going across, just like finishing that piece of 3, right? So 8 and 3 kind of finish the same, and moving into the Park Gan. All right, you guys good? So come here. So we start round punch canvas to the side. We do on both. 1, 2, 3, and he throws that just coming right across. Right? So let's do it this way too. So bong, side, park, across. Park Gan, Wing Chun, Lob Chop, Park punch. All right? Huh?
And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons. And when you hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification to all so we can let you know as soon as we put out a new video. And we want you to know that we're here for you. So leave your comments below. We're going to get back to each and every one of you to make sure your questions get answered.
And once again, thank you. We look forward to being your all things Wing Chun and more for many years to come.